All right, let's get those pencils ready. It's time to write. Now you can do so digitally on this page by picking a text box from the toolbox and making a text box and writing your answer. That's certainly one way you can do that. You can draw or write your answer here in the boxes. I separated them into 3 boxes for you so you could answer the 3 questions. Just don't forget, if you decide to answer digitally on the page, don't forget to click that cloud button to save your changes. Or you can answer these 3 questions in your reading journal. Either way is acceptable. What are we going to be answering? Let's take a look at the questions. Write and or draw an answer to the following questions. Number 1, what does a tadpole look like when it's first born? What does a tadpole look like when it's first born? If you can't remember, if you're not sure what you want to write to describe what the tadpole looks like when it's first born, you can always go back to the text. See it up here at the top? We're leaving that book, stop, it's a frog. We're leaving that book open to go back to as a resource. Now, where did I see that? Oh, here's a tadpole. It shows me what it looks like. You can also look on this page. Remember when the tadpole was popping out? What do you notice? What do you see that it looks like? You can draw or use words to describe what the tadpole looks like when it's first born. Question 2. What did the frog do at the end of the book? I don't know that I would remember that. I would have to go back into the text and look. Let me go to the end of the book. What did the frog do at the end of the book? Oh, that's where he was snapping that fat bug. Oh, here we go. The frog gets big. It hops in. Plop, plop. Stop. Look. Eggs. Look at the picture. What's happening on this page? What's happening at the end of the book? You're going to write your answer or draw your answer right here in the box 2. And number 3, the last one for today. How does a tadpole grow and change? Oh, that makes me remember that video we watched at the very beginning of this unit. When it talked about this unit was going to be describing how plants and animals grow and change. Well, here you go, my friends. They're asking you to describe that or draw that using the tadpole as your subject. How does a tadpole grow and change? You can draw or write your answer right down here in box 3, or you can do it in your reading journal. If you choose to make your answers here on the page, don't forget to click that cloud so that your work will be saved. Thank you for working so hard today, guys. See you tomorrow.